This web part puts your organization's employee contact details at your fingertips, making it easy to connect with colleagues. You can directly reach out via extensions like email, phone, Teams, and other communication platforms. The web part offers two viewing options, list view and card view, allowing you to choose your preferred layout. The list view allows for filtering employee names using custom filter operations, enabling you to quickly find the contact you're looking for. Additionally, you can export the list to Excel or PDF for further use or sharing. This comprehensive contact management tool simplifies communication within your organization. Steps to add BizPortals directory on a modern site or pages and configure it. First, we need to click on the Page Edit option and then click on plus icon and write BizPortals directory. By clicking on the Edit option button, a side panel will appear. Fill the necessary details. Web part title. This title can be easily adjusted or changed based on your needs. This title can be used to select on the content that is being displayed or the targeted audience that it's for. For example, if the web part is being used to display an employee directory and information, it might be titled Staff Finder or Employee Connect. Web part description. Users can write a brief description which explains the information related to content which has been displayed in the web part. Manage contact icons. Select the contact options to be displayed on the web part by checking the corresponding boxes. If a box is unchecked, that contact method will not be shown on the web part. For example, if you pick the message has a contact option, you can set it to link with a Teams. Enable badge. This option enables to see badge count of employees. It will show 3 types of badges: Awesome, Thank You and Achiever. Configure badge list. Users have the option to either select an existing list or create a new one to store badges. This list contains columns specific to the web part. Select Site. Choose a site from the drop-down menu where you want to store the items. This defines the primary location within the SharePoint site collection. Subsite. Specify a subsite under the selected site. Further refining the storage location for the items. Create a new list. Toggle this option to decide whether to create a new list for storing badges. If enabled, an additional field for entering the new list name will be displayed. If disabled, the option to select an existing list becomes available. New list name appears when the Create a New List option is selected. Users can input a unique name for the new list where they want to store badges. Configure column settings. This feature lets users customize which columns are displayed in the Employee List tab of the web part. Any columns you select from Manage Column Settings will be shown in the list. Allow redirect to Delve. Enabling this option allows users to click on a name and be redirected to that person's Delve profile. Enable group selection. Enable this feature to let users choose which Azure AD groups are displayed in the web part. Select group. This feature allows users to select the Azure AD groups to display on web part. Show border. Enable this feature to add a visible border around the web part, enhancing its visual distinction and clarity. Size. Change the size of employee card on web part display. Show employee status. This feature indicates the employee's status availability from MS Teams. Enable other contacts. A list of contacts added by the portal administrator, which can include vendors, consultants, potential customers, and other users, regardless of their portal access rights. Enable employee following. Show a hide follow icon from employee card. Web part layout settings. Select header layout. There are different options to choose from. If you pick the first 5 options, the header will be displayed as shown in options. But if you choose the 6th or 7th option, you can add an image or logo to the header respectively. Web part height. Adjust height of web part by sliding the range bar according to the requirement. Display web part title. Enable this button if you want to display the title. Customize theme. Enable this option to personalize the web part's visual appearance by applying a custom background theme. This is achieved by entering adjacent code into the theme editor. Web part feedback settings. Specify feedback subject and the recipient's email address to whom feedback-related emails will be sent related to this web part. Reload to reflect changes made in the Active Directory, AD, on web part. Click the Reload button. User information. When a user clicks on an employee's profile image, a user information page is displayed with their details. Thanks for watching the video.